Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurmal Sari Permana. I'm from 7th semester in English Language Education Department of Muhammadiyah Bogoraya University. And in this video, I will give a presentation about Gaussian maxim and the relation to humor or joke. Then the objective of this video is to answer the question why people laugh at certain events or sections of comedy movies or stand-up comedy. Alright, without any further ado, I will start the presentation by reciting Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, before I answering the question, I will present about the concept of Gaussian maxim and the concept of humor or joke first. Okay, the concept of Gaussian maxim. Gaussian maxims are a set of four conversational rules proposed by linguist Paul Graves to explain how people cooperate in conversation to achieve mutual understanding. The four of Gaussian maxim are: the first, maxim of quantity. Maxim of quantity provide the amount of information that is required for the conversation, but no more. Or we can say, be as informative as needed, but no more. For example, if asked, "What did you do today?" saying, "I went to the store," is following the maxim, whereas a detailed list of every single action you took would likely be a violation. Okay, the second are maxim of quality. Be truthful and have evidence. For example, you should not claim to have seen a unicorn if you have no evidence of its existence. The third are maxim of relation, or make your contribution relevant to the topic at hand. For example, in a discussion about a movie, talking about your plans for the weekend would be irrelevant. And the last, maxim of manner. Be clear, brief, and orderly. Avoid ambiguity and obscurity. For example, giving a direct concise answer is better than a long, rambling one that is hard to follow. Alright, next is the concept of humor or joke. Humor is defined as the ability to smile and laugh and to make others do so. Humor is subjective and can be expressed in many ways, such as jokes, witty remarks, comedic situations, or anecdotes. It often creates a positive emotional response characterized by amusement and the tendency to laugh. Psychologically, humor is a positive emotional response to something perceived as funny. Alright? For example, why don't sharks eat clowns? Because they taste funny. Okay, the last, why did the student eat his homework? Because his teacher told him it was a piece of cake. And jokes like these are typically short, with a setup and punchline that surprise the listener by combining two incongruous idea or interpretation in a clever way. Okay, now I will answering the question why people laugh at certain events or sections of comedy movies or stand-up comedy. Alright, the answer is because partly this moment play with expectation in communication, which can be explained through the theory of Gizem maxims, which maxim describe cooperative principle in conversation such as quantity, quality, relation, and manner. And in comedy, especially jokes and humorous scenes, these maxims are deliberately violated or floated to create surprise and incongruity that the audience finds funny. Okay, for the relation or relevance, a comedian may introduce an unexpected or seemingly irrelevant statement that jolts the audience out of their usual frame of reference, prompting laughter. And then quality or truthfulness. Comedic lies or exaggeration violate the maxim of truthfulness, but in a playful, imaginative way which triggers amusement. Then quantity, providing too much or too little information, an over-explained joke or an abrupt punchline can create comedic tension. And the last, manner or clarity. Ambiguity or obscure wording can cause the audience to reinterpret a statement humorously when the real meaning is revealed. Thus, laughter often arises because the comedian floats this conversational maxim, leading the audience to engage in a mental effort to resolve the unexpected or illogical twist. This cognitive shift or refreshing stimulates amusement and laughter. Okay, the last is conclusion. In summary, from the perspective of Christian maxims, comedy works by intentionally breaking conversational rules in clever or surprising ways, prompting listeners to reinterpret meaning and respond with laughter. Alright, that's all for my presentation. I do apologize if there are any mistake, and hopefully this video will give a benefit. And let's close. Then I will close this video by reciting Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.